Magkano Mumu is real. Mahal ang bigas. Tada! What's that? Maricar, puntahan ka daw ni Sora. Sora, Maricar is in the Philippines. Are you gonna see her? Yeah, Philippines. Maricar is in the Philippines. You can visit her.
I will do Philippines. Hey, mommy and mama.
You wanna go to the Philippines?
No.
Why not?
Hey, oh, that's
How do you ask?
okay.
Oh, you wanna spray again? Okay, close your eyes. I'll spray you. Close. So the bug you doesn't see. There's a bug behind you. Close your eyes now. Close. It's, okay, you don't wanna be spray.
Okay. Okay, I've been in my food.
Yeah, Maricar is no. Buhay pa sana. Maricar, oo, nagbabalik. No, Maricar is in the Philippines. Go visit her.
I'm making food.
Okay, you make a food. Okay. What happened? You trick me?
No. A part of what?
Oh, rocks.
But that's it.
Oo. Ang dami mong momo Maricar. Ang dami mong baon Oh, really? Wow. It's okay, you'll take a shower anyway.
Hey, mama be in me.
Huh?
Mama be in me.
Grandma will be angry?
Yeah.
Oh, tell grandma, mama said, I can.
What?
Tell grandma, mommy said I can.
Baby Dicky?
I can, yeah, I can take care. I can take your shower. Magalit daw si grandma. Ano ba nangyari yan? Kausapin nyo yan, oh.